10 foods that will cleanse your kidneys fast. Do you want to improve your kidney health naturally? Let's explore 10 kidney cleansing foods today. Hydration is key. Start by drinking more water throughout your day. Include cranberries and cranberry juice in your diet to help prevent urinary tract infections. Lemons are high in citrate, which may help prevent kidney stones. Apples are a great source of fiber and antioxidants that support kidney health. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and a good source of vitamins A, C, and B6. Garlic contains antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Include cauliflower in your meals for a dose of vitamins and nutrients that support kidney cleansing. Onions are rich in flavonoids and antioxidants that may benefit kidney health. Cabbage is a great source of vitamin K and C, as well as fiber for kidney support. Blueberries are high in antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Incorporating these kidney cleansing foods into your diet can support your overall kidney health. Start making small changes today for a healthier tomorrow. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Your kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood. By eating a balanced diet with kidney cleansing foods, you can support their function. Take care of your kidneys by incorporating a variety of nutritious foods into your meals. Experiment with different recipes to keep your kidney cleansing meals exciting and delicious. By focusing on whole foods, you can naturally cleanse and support your kidneys. Eating a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables can provide essential nutrients for kidney health. Remember to limit processed foods and excess salt, which can strain your kidneys. Maintaining a healthy weight through proper nutrition can also benefit your kidney function. Choose lean proteins like fish, chicken, and tofu to support your kidneys. Herbal teas like dandelion or nettle may also promote kidney health. Try incorporating kidney cleansing herbs and spices like parsley or turmeric into your meals. Almonds and walnuts are good sources of healthy fats and can be a kidney-friendly snack. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, making it a great addition to a kidney cleansing diet. A balanced diet that includes a variety of these foods can help cleanse your kidneys naturally. Give your kidneys the care they deserve by nourishing them with nutrient-rich foods. Remember that lifestyle factors like regular exercise and stress management also play a role in kidney health. Celebrate your kidney health journey with delicious meals that support your overall well-being. Start today by shopping for kidney cleansing foods and incorporating them into your meals. Stay hydrated, eat well, and take proactive steps to support your kidney health. Your kidneys will thank you for the nourishment and care you provide them every day.